Otaku Dragon here, everybody, and once again, it's time for Akibento! This month's theme is Restart, so I'm expecting some video game related merchandise. You'll see why when I show you the picture later. But before I begin, there's a little bit of a change behind me. As you can see, I got a couple wall scrolls up, some of my favorites. Sailor Mars from the hit show Sailor Moon, one of the animes that actually got me, well, started in the anime. And to my left is Tenchi Muyo, my all-time favorite anime. You know the story. Guy being hit on by a bunch of girls, some of them with superpowers. It's just a comedy. It really is. The poor guy. Anyway. Let's get to the box. What's in the box? Scissors. Let's have a look-see on what we get here. Alright. Alright, once again, we are going to start off with the shirt. And this month's shirt is gray colored. And, before I do that. And, we got... I don't recognize it. I like it, but I don't recognize it. Huh. I don't know what it could be. Well, we'll find out as soon as I get the card out. It's nice, though. Oh, we got something new! On occasion, well, normally, we've been getting Funko Pop products. But, this isn't Funko. This is something else. The vinyl collection series for the hit show created by Rooster Teeth and the late great Montley Oom, Ruby! And I got Ruby Rose! She's she's not my favorite. My favorite is Yang. I just like the fact that she can punch a bird out of the sky. Screw attack. They explained it. Whew, but this is still freaking awesome! Woohoo! Ooh, I didn't know that didn't work. That's pretty good. Okay, we got a Akibento exclusive this month, and it's some kind of hat with cat eyes and ears. Another thing I don't know what it's from. They're really stumping me this time, aren't they? I mean, on occasion there's like maybe one or two things, but I wonder. Well, again, we'll find out as soon as I get the card out. Next up is the next Akibento exclusive, and it is an inflatable of some sort. Let's get this out. And, what could it be? It's... Oh, I think they got it. I think they watched Noble's video. It's the sword from Sword Art Online, Kirito's sword. Yeah. They must have watched Noble's video and got this idea. Okay, this is neat. This is really neat. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Where did they come up with some of this stuff, I wonder? Well, that's Akibento for you. They are sneaky. Alright, we also got a No Game, No Life air freshener. Yeah. We got Sora and Shiro. And apparently it's strawberry scented. Ooh, it is. This is going in my car. Alright, we got another exclusive. Look at this nice little box. It's a fan. Oh, I recognize this. I recognize the character on it already. Because I like the anime and I like the second season. Is it wrong to pick up girls in a dungeon? The goddess. Forget her name. This is lovely. Oh my goodness, this is lovely. That looks so weird. There we go. Alrighty then. We got this month's button. Sora beating Kirito in rock, paper, scissors. Yeah, that could happen. That could definitely happen because, it's freaking Sora. This guy can win at anything. I mean, that was proven in the anime. And I hope we do get a season 2 of it. But in the meantime, we all get in a movie. I can't wait for that. Alright, next up is the sticker of the YouTuber of the month. Anime America, people. That's right, Anime America. The people that got me actually started on this thing. Oh, the boxes. It was their advertisement for when they were doing it, and I was like, that's it. I'm getting that. So, Anime America, if you're listening to this video, thank you. Also, thank you for the advice you gave me. For those of you that don't know, I run a business, and I actually asked the people from Anime America what I should sell. What was popular? They gave me some sound advice. Hasn't let me down. Okay. Once again, this month's theme was Restart. As you can see, we got Ruby, Kirito, oh goodness, I forgot her name. Shiro. And, I forgot the goddess's name. Who the heck is that cat? I don't know. Maybe inside we'll explain it. Alrighty then. First off, we got the items. Everyone gets the No Game No Life air freshener, the Anime America sticker, the exclusive goddess fan, Another World cat beanie. Another World. I have to look that up. Oh, it seems everybody gets the Ruby figure and not the other ones. That's a bit of a bummer. Of course, the pin, the inflatable sword, an exclusive Restart shirt. It's probably Another World. I don't know. If you know, please let me know in the comments below. I'm really desperate. Alright. Let's read off about the YouTuber of the month. Once again, it is the Anime America. And it's, of course, their main voice talent. What's her favorite anime? Well, here's the person right here. For those of you that don't know. Alright. Ever since she was little, she's loved Sailor Moon. That's obvious in the unboxing videos. Especially when she got Tuxedo Mask. She squealed. Alright, what type of anime do you like the most? Anything new and challenging? You know, she's right. She states there's hardly any new structures nowadays. And, she likes to see something, put a new twist on something old. I think that's why I like Miss Kobayashi's Dragon Maid so much. And I actually did that. I like it. Alright, her hobbies. Well, she likes drawing, writing, wishes to make online comics, That'd be cool. Ah, but she also loves playing video games like The Legend of Zelda. Don't we all? What anime is she currently watching? Just watching Miss Kobayashi's Dragon Maid. And something called Acca? ACCA. I have to look that one up. Does she have any pets? She wishes. She doesn't live in a place where she can have pets. But if she ever gets a place where she can, she's going to surround herself with cats. Warning. Cats are jerks sometimes. They will trip you up. Literally, I got one that likes to trip me up every time I try to go to the bathroom. Yeah. And of course, her favorite anime character. Oh, she loves Sailor Moon. No surprise. But if she had to choose a recent one, she would have to choose Viktor Nikiforov. I won't lie, I don't know who that is. Well, okay then. That was the Akibento unboxing, folks, for this month of Spirit. No, Restart, sorry. Next month is Spirit. That's right. So, we can expect something interesting. Maybe some Bleach stuff. Soul Eater. Black Butler, perhaps? We'll see. But, it's time again for this one last bit. This month's manga review. Now, with me, it was down to 2 manga. One full of blood and gore, the other full of comedy and a tiny bit of fan service. I went with the latter because it's a manga created by last month's creator of, well, Monster Musume. And that is Okayada's 12 Beasts. Basic synopsis of this one. You got a kid. High school, loves playing video games, doesn't like to fight. Unfortunately, he comes from a family of ninjas. So, yeah. Then this girl from another world, who turns out to be a harpy, comes in, grabs him, wants him to save her people in their world. Apparently, she was told to go get him by his brother, who has been missing for the last year. Now we know where he's been. What follows is a maniacal escapade of him not wanting to fight, misunderstandings, and a little bit of perverse moments. Just a little bit. Not as much as in Monster Musume. This is more of a comedy than fan service. And I can appreciate that. I would actually like to see the anime adaptation of this. But it's only, in the US, about 4 or 5 issues in. I don't know how many there are in Japan at the moment. I didn't check. But, if you like Monster Musume and you want to read something a bit more action and comedy, I do recommend it. Anyway, with that said and done, this has been the Otaku Dragon. And once again, stay nerdy, my friends.